Welcome to this Alps Alpine video tutorial. I am very pleased that you have decided on the new RS1000. The first bike camera with AI-based hazard detection and intelligent LED rear light. Award-winning for outstanding innovation. Expands your senses for a real increase in safety in road traffic. Hello there. I'm Yuki from Alps Alpine. I'm happy to help you connect to your Android smartphone for the first time. It's going really smoothly. We really want to conjure up the very best image quality on your digital rearview mirror in real time. But to do this we need to briefly go through a few steps together. The camera connects to the mobile phone's hotspot by scanning a QR code with the access data. We call this pairing, and it is only necessary for the first connection. Once the camera is paired, it can be reconnected directly from the app if your smartphone's hotspot is turned on. Android is kind enough to show the QR code for pairing right in the system settings. No manual entries are necessary. This is why pairing with Android is a little easier than with Apple devices. And that's how it works. You turn on the camera by pressing the button for about 3 seconds until the lights turn on. Similar to your smartphone, the camera needs about a minute to fully boot up. During this time you start the settings on your Android smartphone. Go for connections. And then on the mobile hotspot. You make sure that the mobile hotspot is activated. And then select it to configure. There you can see a small QR symbol to generate a large QR code that contains all the access data for your camera. In the meantime, your RS1000 has entered pairing mode, and simply hold the QR code in front of the camera. The first beep shows you that the QR code has been read. The second beep shows you that the camera has successfully paired with the smartphone. Then switch to the Ride Safety app. And scan for the paired camera. Then you press connect. It's that easy. Your new digital rearview mirror is now fully ready for use. If you are offered a free software update after pairing, you should definitely install this because we are continually improving the AI of your RS1000. Now I wish you a lot of fun cycling and an accident-free time. And check out www.ride-safety.com from time to time. There are always new innovations there that expand your senses while biking. You're Yuki from Alps Alpine. Cheerio.